Hi, do you suffer from TMJ, grinding your teeth, headaches? Try this, acupressure tapping. We're going to place our fingers behind the jaw, and then we're going to place them at the back of the jaw, the middle, and the front. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, 2, 3, 4. And now just keep your fingers there and just gently move the skin, like you're doing a massage but without any pressure. And we'll go to the middle. That's it, no pressure. And just feel the weight of that jaw relaxing. And behind the jawbone, relaxing. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.